Hey Harties, so change of plans. Florida got canceled. As you guys know, there's a hurricane arriving to Florida this weekend, and so our trip has been pretty much canceled for Florida, which is okay. And we were gonna go to Gatlinburg, but apparently all of the Florida victims are fleeing to Gatlinburg. Actually no cabin rentals available whatsoever. So now we're going to Branson, Missouri. What is in Branson, Missouri, I don't know. So regardless, I'm sure we're gonna have a really fun trip. We always do whenever we go with our friends, but I guess we will see what's in Branson when we get there. We just got to the hotel and the complimentary bath stuff is so nice. I've never heard of this brand. All of the toiletries are vegan and cruelty free, which is awesome. Okay guys, so it is officially day 2. I'm in an elevator by myself, of course. Every time I'm on vacation, I'm always the last to get ready, so I'm going to meet everyone for breakfast. But I just want to say, so far Branson's really good. I'm really enjoying myself, so I'm gonna go to the cafeteria now and get something to eat with everyone else. I hope the food is good. We'll see. So I guess there are these like van boat things called Ride the Ducks, and I guess we're gonna ride that. This should be interesting. So I think it's gonna be pretty exciting. You get in it, it's like a van type thing, and it goes in the water, so we'll see. Good vegan food, but it actually hasn't been that hard. Everywhere we've gone, they kind of had like salad bars and buffet style, which always makes it easier. But so far we're having a really good time, and I think we're really enjoying ourselves. So I'm at Walmart because I forgot shampoo, and I'm looking at this L'Oreal shampoo, and L'Oreal is not cruelty free, but for some reason this L'Oreal shampoo, it says 100% vegan, and I looked on the back and it says no animal derived ingredients, and the formula is not tested on animals, and it also says vegan on the back. This is just a new development. I don't really know what to think of this right now because it says vegan and it says that it's not tested on animals. It is L'Oreal, so this is really interesting to me. I don't know. I'm gonna be looking this up. This might be the only animal I see on this trip. Hey guys, so it is day 3 of our trip and we are having such a good time. I actually got to vlog a lot yesterday, so I hope you guys enjoyed all of the footage. So far we're having a really good time. I think my favorite thing that I got to do yesterday was take pictures with the Jurassic Park Jeep. They have both of the Jurassic Park Jeeps here from the movie and I think that is so cool. So update on the L'Oreal vegan shampoo that I bought. I actually really like it. It worked really well. But Google said that, like most things, it is a vegan shampoo and it is cruelty free. However, L'Oreal as a company is not vegan or cruelty free, so it's just one like vegan product that they have. Supposedly the L'Oreal Everpure is vegan, however L'Oreal as a company is not vegan because they still source out to China. So I probably won't be buying that shampoo again, but I'm kind of on the fence about it. I mean, it worked really well, but I probably won't buy it again even though I really liked it. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that it's okay to use like a vegan cruelty-free shampoo even if the company isn't vegan? I'm kind of on the fence. I read online everyone's kind of split on it, but it is a good product. But okay guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on our little vacation. We will be going home tomorrow, so I probably won't vlog anymore, but I will be back to filming Wednesday morning, so I'm really excited to get more videos out for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys all in my next video. Be kind. Bye.